Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, November 5th, 2020, and the U.S. stock market is closed. You've heard the saying, it's always darkest right before the dawn, and that may apply to my trading the last few days. If you heard my videos going back 2, 3, 4 days, you could probably tell that I was pretty disheartened by the, the action of the stocks and our trading and markets and everything else. But the last 2 days have been yesterday was great and today was fabulous. Let's put it that way. I've been doing this a long time and it never ceases to amaze me every time this happens, just how quickly and out of the blue it comes, and it's just like you go from hell to heaven in 12 hours, and that's really what's happened here. You can see here the Dow's had 3 big up days in a row, and today it's up 543 points. We had 22 positions coming into today. We closed out 19 of those positions and carried 3 of them, so that we're still holding those 3. But anyway, of the 19 positions that we had, we closed those out with positive over $16,000. And then we got into 18 new positions plus the 3 that we carried over. So with 21 positions, 16 were positive, only 5 were negative, and we're carrying positive $35,000 going into tomorrow. So we close out 16 and have 35 positive going into tomorrow. That's over $50,000 total. I'd call that a good day. I'd call that a good day any day. Anyway, I'm pretty happy about this. I'll show you 3 of the stocks, but they had just tons of good trades. I could sit here for an hour and show you good trades, but I'll show you 3 of my favorites there. This first one is AVXL. That's Anavex Life Sciences, and we had bought this yesterday midday, and then we got out of it this morning with small change. It was a nothing trade, but it kept going, and we re-entered it about halfway through the day, and then Anavex Life Sciences really took off, closing close to its high there, and we are carrying positive $6,400 in Anavex Life Sciences. Then this one, this is PEIX, which is Pacific Ethanol Incorporated. And this thing just took off this morning. You know, talking about buying gaps, man. It looked like we were buying this thing in the sky when we bought it today, but it held up, kept moving, and we're carrying $5,100 in open trade equity in Pacific Ethanol Incorporated. And then finally I'll show you another one. This wasn't the biggest trade. Our biggest trade was TQQQ, which is corresponds to this climb in market in the overall stocks. I'll show you that tomorrow. But anyway, this nevertheless was a really good trade. This is NBTA, which is NBTA Corporation, and that's a biotech. Not sure what they do, but it's biotech. And we bought this kind of toward the end of the day on Tuesday, and then yesterday it gaps up. That keeps us in the trade, and then very unusual, it gaps up again this today, and strong enough that that keeps us in. Well, it'll actually be a 4-day trade, assuming we get out of it tomorrow. But anyway, so today was our 3rd day in holding in Vitae, and we are up $7,500 in that stock. Great trade. But as I say, I have a whole bunch of good trades today. They were just all over the place, and I would have to have quite a few to be showing $35,000 in open trade equity. Anyway, great day. Trader Bob's happy. I'll be back here tomorrow on Freaky Friday.